Hi, my name is Sandra Kelly and I'm hair designer on Normal People, and today I'm going to show you how to do two of Marianne's bangs, or fringes we call them here, where you can do in your own home in lockdown with a kitchen scissors, paper scissors, nail scissors, perhaps not a knife, that could be a little bit dangerous, or perhaps not the size, a big fabric scissors, a little bit too big, but maybe this scissors is pretty good size. This one here, a little good size too, a bit blunt, mightn't cut, and this one is little nail scissors, so we snip very slowly. But first of all, as well, you have to have a few items at hand. One is this here, which is an elastic, a bobby to tie your hair back, a little brush to take all those little irritating hairs that you're going to cut, and also a hair dryer, preferably with a nozzle on, because we want to kind of really pull it down here. Now, before we even start snipping, we have a few more tips to go through. Tip 1. Start off with damp hair. Either shampoo it or just dampen it with water. Tip 2. Find your centre parting, just like Marianne's. It just balances off your fringe. It doesn't have to be exactly centre. Centre is kind of like level of your nose. Off centre is fine. And again, you can use a comb, but just your fingers. You can see it's not perfectly centre, but that's pretty good. Tip 3, let's find your bangs. Okay, so we have our centre parting. As you see, I had my own little fine bangs, but now I'm going to go for much thicker, heavier bangs, just like Marianne's Trinity look. But it's important to find the thickness of your bangs. So fine hair, like my own, is better with a heavier bang, otherwise it doesn't split and separate. Then for medium hair, you can do both, which is pretty good. Thick hair, I would suggest maybe a little bit less, because sometimes it looks a little bit too heavy. Alright, okay, so we've got our bangs. So what are we going to do next? We're going to find a little slanted line here. There you can see, don't go beyond the temple. Okay, this is our width of our bangs. We're looking for, do the other side. Again, try and see your hair. Again, this doesn't have to be too perfect. No, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe a little bit more this side. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So you can see it's kind of like that. And it's not near your temples. Okay, so if you kind of go like that, then you can always do a little bit more when you get the hang of it. But I'm pretty happy with that. So then what you do next is get rid of all that hair with your elastic, so everything is out of your way, so you can concentrate on those bangs. Tip 4 is a very important one. I want to see if you have any kinky bits in your bangs. Technical term, growth patterns, or even more technical term, cow's legs. I know it's weird, I didn't name it. So what you do, you just shake your natural fall of your fringe. So you're just going to keep shaking, even like shake like that. And then you can, if you see any little strong movement, I know I have one here, which kind of goes up a little bit like that. So that's what you're looking for, kind of ones that kind of curl up like that. I have none this side, I kind of nice straight on this side. Say if you do have your growth patterns, which is cow's legs, you might have to go a little bit heavier on this, because what this does, this weighs it down, so it kind of hides and weighs down your cow's leg. So that's quite important. Tip 5, don't worry, we're nearly there. As you can see, well, not really, I can see. So we're going to try and get rid of this. Alright, so some of you might have hair down to here, down to there, they're every different lengths. So mine's to here. So as you see, I'm twisting it. So again, no tension. It's very important that you don't flatten it and pull it down, because that's where things go wrong. So we twist, and the idea of twisting is you get a nice little jagged edge, where if we don't twist, you can easily do this, but it goes too blunt. So again, very little tension. So what I want is my length of Marianne's bangs is just above her eyebrow. So I'm going to cut this. Here it goes. La-la. I can slightly see. So next thing is to get our dryer. And we're going to blast it, just loosely blast it with the dryer, so that we get it all dry, that we can start cutting. Now it's time to snip. So we're going to go for Marianne's college look, which is a nice square bangs with a little chipping, little nice softness on the edge. All right, so then we have to see first, so don't worry, just pull aside those sides because we're going to start in the center first. Nice natural fall, just let it fall naturally, just bang it like that. All right, and then I'm going to use my little nail scissors. So I'm going to start first, and again, snip very little. And I hope the scissors will be able to snip. It's snipping. Little by little, and then we're going to snip up like that. So again, close your eyes. You don't want a hair everywhere in those eyes, so keep snipping. You may feel, oh my god, this is taking ages, but you just do little by little, and that's the secret. Because if you don't and you snip, you can't get it back.
It took me a while to cut my bangs with a very small nail scissors, so I don't think you'd want to watch me that long. Here's just a couple of things to help you through the process. Go slowly, take your time, do small sections of hair. Be careful, don't cut into your hair at the temples. Don't be afraid of the scissors cutting you. If so, lift the section away from your face and snip. Keep checking after you have cut your section by shaking your head or tapping loosely to get the natural fall of the hair. When finished, shake it out again and see if it's even. If not, lift slightly again and snip.
Yeah, don't too close the temple. Yeah, not too. Now just check it. So just shake it out. Make sure it's kind of even both sides. And let's take our hair down. Now that I have the Marianne college look, I look so like her. We're going to go for the second Marianne look, which is a very short, daring, arched bang. It's not for everybody, but I created it to make Marianne look much younger, more vulnerable. It opened up her face. Again, made her quite quirky and a little bit odd compared to the other girls. So I'm going to give it a go for you guys. Here we go. As you see, I pushed my hair back again into a bobble just to get rid of it all. We're going to do the exact same process as before. My fringe is nice and natural, kind of dried, nice and bouncy. So again, no tension. I'm going to use a lovely paper scissors this time. So again, like before, we'll concentrate on the front section. Okay, so I'm going to go this way rather than go that way. You can go that way if you want to, like that. But for this is quite short. So this is the very shortest part and it's going to arch. So it's going to be your nose. So I'm going to come again, do little first. Okay. All right, so I'll go a little shorter. So maybe I'll do it this way now. So again, using your scissors. So it's all freehand. It can be a little bit scary because you're going, oh my god. So again, I want those arch. So again, we're going to snip a little bit like that. So this side's the hardest side. So again, and you can go this way if it's easier. Depends if you're left-handed or right-handed. So I've got the basic shape. So again, shake it out.
As you can see, I've got my arched shape and now I'm just chopping away to soften the edges of my bangs. Don't be afraid. Still follow my previous steps and you won't go wrong.
There you have it. Hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. Now that I have these Marianne Bangs, I might catch myself a Connell with a chain. So happy snipping, and please send me all your amazing work that you're going to be doing in lockdown. And if you've any questions, just contact me on social media. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe.